Good day everyone. Let's begin our discussion about two types of fitness components that help us stay healthy and perform better in games. They are called health-related and skill-related fitness components. Health-related fitness components. These help players stay strong, safe, and active while playing. Cardiovascular endurance. Players run back and forth across the grid, so their heart and lungs need to work efficiently. Muscular strength. Guards use leg and core strength to block passers and stay firm on the lines. Muscular endurance. Players need to keep moving and tagging without getting tired quickly. Flexibility. Passers twist, bend, and stretch to avoid tugs and squeeze through tight spaces. Body composition. A healthy balance of muscles and fat helps players move faster, stay agile, and avoid fatigue. Now let's proceed to next one, skill-related fitness components. This helps players move better and perform successfully in the game. Agility. Passers quickly change direction to avoid being tagged. Balance. Guards stay steady while tagging and standing on the lines. Coordination. Players use eyes, hands, and feet together to move smoothly through the grid. Speed. Passers run fast to cross the lines before getting tagged. Power. Quick bursts of movement help players sprint or block effectively. Reaction time. Players respond quickly when a guard moves or when it's time to run or tag. Thank you for watching.